Welcome to today's Spring Harvest Bowl, fresh, colorful, and deeply comforting. Start with warm rice as the base, fluffy, fragrant, and ready to soak up flavor. Top with tender greens, crisp cucumbers, sweet carrots, and juicy tomatoes for that bright spring crunch. Add protein your way, soft tofu, poached chicken, or seared shrimp. Light, clean, and satisfying. Drizzle a simple sauce, soy, rice vinegar, a touch of honey, sesame oil, and grated ginger for gentle heat. Finish with scallions, toasted sesame, and a squeeze of lemon to wake up every bite. This bowl is about balance, worn and cool, soft and crisp, savory with a bright lift. Eat seasonally, cook simply, and enjoy the calm, immersive rhythm of making food that loves back. Like, comment your favorite spring topping, and subscribe for more cozy, fresh recipes inspired by Khmer foods and beyond. Here's to bowls that taste like spring.